Hello, this is my TaskGrid project. My project is a task management app built with C++ and Qt. The user interface is written in QML, and all the data is stored in an SQLite database so tasks don't disappear when the app closes. The C++ side exposes a database manager object to QML, so the UI can call functions like load tasks and create tasks to interact with the database. So starting with the app and exposing the QML, so creates the Qt application and creates the QML engine here. Um, then starts the event loop. So in the main CPP, I set up the QL application and the QML engine. I create a database manager object and expose it to QML as DB. That means my QML UI can call DB load task or DB create task directly. Finally, I load the task grid QML module and start the event loop so the app can run and respond user input. So what is class? What class is database manager? It, so right here, so database manager, you'll see in my database manager.h file, um, it inherits from, uh, it inherits from an object, so it works with Qt and QML. In the header, functions are marked Q invocable, which makes them callable from QML. For example, Open Database defines the QML-lite file path, like TaskGrid, SQLite, load task, create task. Uh, Here in the Database Manager CPP, so Database Manager is the class that handles all the interactions with the SQLite database. In the constructor, I open the database and create the tables if they don't exist. I suppose several Q invocable methods that QML can call, like load task and create task. If you want, I can now show you a demonstration on how the code actually works. But if you see here, let's run this. So here I have created task already. So I can create a new task. So here, create task or create to-do list. So here's a create task, or here, let's create a to-do list. Oops, sorry. So we'll just click on one random here. So we could edit task. So the new task, let's say wash dishes. Let's see, scrub and rinse. Here we hit OK, boom, and now we have our new task. It's wash dishes. You click on it, and you can put a due date. Change the due date. You see today's December 1st. So let's put 12, 3, 2025. So there it has the due date. And if you see there, the details within the task wash dishes is scrub and rinse. Here I had some older ones when I was playing around with it. We had mow lawn, but you can also um, delete the task for And see, it has a little timer there for wash dishes. There's other modes. The night mode. There we go. And you can, like I said, search for tasks. Like here, you'll have wash, and only wash dishes will come up. And that's pretty much it for the project. I mean, there are some other details that I would love to implement on this project, but this is it. Thank you.